Hey guys, how you doing? Well, this is a bit messy. So this is what happens when you just decide to go off doing loads of different things. You end up with bits and pieces all over the place. So a little tour of my messy workshop. It's not always tidy, but I did get bored of working on the car today, so I've done a little bit more on the headlamp and then went on to some door cards. Being that it's our own design of car, we want everything bespoke. We don't want you to look inside and see that it's just an MR2 inside. So on this one there'll be door cards, dashboard, centre console. So we'll just give you a little tour. What we have here is a standard MR2 Mark III Spider door card. Here we go, just pretty but plain and boring compared to what I wanted. And then we've got the new one, which we'll go over here and show you, which I've already put in place on the car. So just to give you an idea, here we go. So we've got a few capes. Now this is just made out of Foamex board, a few bits of wood, a lot of wood screws, drywall screws. Basically what we're going to do with this, just come in a bit closer, we're going to smooth all this in. This is just going to become a buck for making the shell. This is going to be smoothed out, so we get rid of this hole, we keep the tweeter hole, we keep the speaker hole, but we have a grill over the front. All of these lines will be all smoothed into it. This will be smoothed into it down here. This piece will be smoothed right up into this and over this, so these lines won't exist. Obviously we keep the door handle hole, and the way this will fit, it will use the original seal on the top because it's just got a couple of metal lugs on the back, so it'll fit nice and easily. We'll use this locating hole still here, but then we'll have a series of fixings, a couple around the bottom, 2 or 3 around the bottom, and then a few just up the side here. Being that we're going to put a fiberglass door card on, it's just going to be a bit sort of hard really to put the original sort of clips back into it and do it as Toyota intended it. So but it will sit exactly the same. I'll close it up and I'll go around the other side so you can see it as well. So it just gives you an idea. It does actually give you a bit more arm room in the side, because obviously you haven't got the handle sticking out or anything like that. So here we go, the dashboard as well. It's just a rough mock-up. We're going to change a lot of the underside of this. This was just something I sort of threw together. Centre console pieces, they're just templates really, but they'll sweep down and go up into the back as well. So it'll be a completely unique interior on this. So I'll quickly remove the door card and then you can just have a look on the back of it, just to see how I've put this together anyway. So I'm just going to pop you down here for a minute. Hopefully you can still see me, and then we'll have a little tour around the door card. Like I say, at the moment it's just obviously as Toyota intended it. It's just held on by its own poppers, which obviously just pop up and that just comes off in place. We'll just come over here, you can have a comparison to the standard MR2 ones. There we go, I'll just put that there. So it just gives you an idea, so hopefully you can see both of them. So a new door card for the SPR2 on the right. Like I say, there will be fiberglass, obviously they can be leather trimmed. We can do them in carbon or just plain fiberglass, and you can paint them. So obviously it depends what the customer wants, what you want. If you want these just for a standard MR2, then we might end up taking a mould from it and supplying them separate to the kit as well. So but I'll just flip it over. So I'll give you an idea. Here we go. Like I say, just a few screws and bits and pieces, bit of Foamex board, chop the back of the door card out, but that's just holding it together. It's that easy to make your own bits really. If you've got a vision in your head, you just pull something apart and you use it as a base shape. So there we go. That's the new door cards for the SPR2. Thank you for watching. Like I say, we will be uploading more and more videos as we go. If you like what you're seeing, then obviously hit the subscribe button, Blackwell Sports Cars, also on Instagram and Facebook. You can obviously see what else we're doing. We don't just do this sort of stuff, so there might be other bits and pieces that you like as well. But have a look and see what you think. Thank you very much.